there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out the e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Lip and Cheek Palette. This is something I picked up in my e.l.f. haul and I thought it would be perfect for the car. So my plan is to just leave this and a mascara in my car, and then when I'm on the go I can just do some quick makeup before I meet up with people. And this is exactly the type of makeup I have been into lately. So let me go ahead and show you the colors. So there are 4 colors. There's kind of a dark pinkish brown, there's a brown color, there's a pink color, and this is the highlight color. So I will swatch them for you. So those are all the colors, and as you can see, they're actually like so pigmented. I am really impressed with the colors, and the formula is really, really nice. The first thing I tried out was the lipstick, and I used the dark pinkish brown color, and I just stuck my finger in it and patted it on top. I am wearing a lip balm underneath, but the formula is really comfortable, really pigmented. I'm just so surprised at how pigmented this is. It's kind of a really cool color, a mix between a pink and a brown. And it's a little bit more brown than a lipstick I would normally wear, so it does kind of look like a bit of a nude, but it's really pretty and it stays on for quite a good amount of time, so I really like it. And then I did try the lighter pink color as a blush, and I also really like that. It stayed on. It's been about an hour and it is still on, so it is quite nice. It blends very easily, and as well it's quite pigmented. Just for fun, I thought I would try the highlight color on my eyelids. I thought that would be a really good idea for when I was on the go. But I have to say it did crease. It looked really pretty at first, but unfortunately it did crease, and to be fair, I don't know if it was meant to be used as an eyeshadow, but I would also like to try the brown color as an eyeshadow as well. Hey, so it is now late afternoon, and thankfully the sun is now not so crazy, so you can actually see. And the makeup has pretty much entirely rubbed off, so it's not the most long-lasting makeup, but that's fine. That's not really what I wanted it to be. I just wanted it to be like a nice little something when I'm on the go, which is pretty much all the time. Like, this is the kind of makeup that I'm into these days. Since the makeup has entirely rubbed off, I can kind of try some different colors now. So I did want to try the brown on my eyes, like in the corner. I like to do that trick with bronzer, so I wanted to see if I could use this brown color as a bronzer, and maybe I'll try it on my face a little bit for contouring as well. And I will try the highlight as well on my face. And maybe I'll try this pink on my lips. So let's start with the eyes. So I'm going to take this little brush that comes with it. And then this does come with a mirror, which is super handy for makeup on the go. Wow, I really like that. So I don't know if you can see, but I just put a little bit on the outer corners, and I think it looks really pretty. I really like it. And now I'm just going to put some on my finger and try it as a bronzer, although it is kind of a little bit like on the warm side. These do, I noticed, blend smoother on a moisturized face. So I actually am going to keep this CeraVe moisturizer in the car anyway. So let me try it on this side after putting some moisturizer first. Oh yeah, that's like, it blends easier, or it just like feels nicer blending with your fingers because I'm not gonna have brushes. So it is very subtle, like I think it might have just kind of blended into nothing. Yeah, I don't think I love it as a bronzer. But I am gonna switch. Oh, let me start with the highlight. So I'll do the highlight now. So taking the highlight color, and then I'll put that on my face. Ooh. Okay, I like that a lot. So I have noticed you have to watch out with these because if you blend them too much, they will blend into nothing. So that's good because it means you're probably not going to like walk around with stripes on your face. Like it will look very natural. But if you want to like actually see the color, then you can't overblend. But so far I love the highlight. I think that's beautiful. I like that a lot. It works much better as a highlight than it does as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to switch because last time I put this on my lips and this on my cheeks. So I'm going to try this on my lips and this on my cheeks. So let's start with the pink. Oh, cute. Oh, I love that. It's like a cute pinky nude color. It's actually very similar to the Pat McGrath color that I bought, but obviously much cheaper. Oh my god, I love that. Ooh. Okay, and then let me try the darker color as a blush. So I have the darker color. Can you see it's much harder to blend on that side without the moisturizer? Okay, so I think that's really pretty. I actually like this better than I liked the other way. So I like this one best as a lipstick, and I like this one best as a blush, and I thought it would be the other way around, but I actually do like that better. And then the highlight is really pretty as well. So I actually think I would love this makeup on the go, like just meeting a friend for a hike or going to the grocery store or whatever. In the parking lot, I can just open this and dab on my lips while I'm waiting for someone. And then all I have to keep is a mascara in the car and this, and that's my whole makeup bag. So I love that. The only thing is, I really wish that this highlight color would have worked as an eyeshadow, because that was my plan for this palette, was to use it as eyeshadows as well, but it doesn't quite work as an eyeshadow. But I think I will definitely get my money out of this, and a reminder that I only paid $3 for this whole palette, so I think I will definitely get my $3 out of this. I think it's super cute. I would buy it again. I love this lip color. Here's a close-up of the lip color. Even now, I think my makeup is looking really fresh and cute, so love this. I love this. So do I recommend the e.l.f. Active Lip and Cheek Palette? Depends on who you are. If you're someone who does a full face of makeup every single day, you are going to hate this. But if you are an on-the-go kind of girl looking for something fresh and cute, I think this is really practical. You can just do lips, you can do cheeks, you can do highlight. It's a very, very natural and pretty highlight, and be on your way without having a bag full of makeup. So I love this for me. I probably wouldn't recommend it to most of my friends. Also, if you have a deeper skin tone, this won't work for you. I'm not sure if they have other colors. They might. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!